Welcome to SKM Sodagu. I'm going to solve Business Standard Newspaper Sodagu puzzle on April 25, 2022. Very hard Sodagu. Column I, third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, and 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 6th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column B, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade, only 1 numbers are remaining. 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, third row, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Second row and third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, 5 numbers are remaining. 1, 3, 5, 8, 9. 9th row and 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 4 numbers are remaining. 1, 3, 5 and 9. Column H, column J, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 9. 7th grade and 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 7th grade, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 5, 7. Column C, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column C and second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, then column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5. Second row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in any one of the two cells. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fifth row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Sixth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Ninth row, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5 and 7. Column F, we have 1, 7 and 3. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Ninth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 9. Column E, column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fourth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column B, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column B, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column G, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. First grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Fourth row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Third row, we hardly have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Third row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.